What do energy efficiency service providers want for their clients and stakeholders of any building? Ensuring that their client's residence or workplace is in a comfortable, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly structure. However, today's rising energy consumption levels pose new challenges. For many buildings, this means higher maintenance costs, tenant billing disputes, uncomfortable living or working conditions, and even legislation mandates requiring installation of energy submeters. At Meazon, the global innovator in energy digitization, we provide the tools and technology to convert conventional buildings into sustainable, smart buildings. Our U.S. Department of Energy awarded technology, coupled with own-designed and third-party wireless sensors and controllers, and a smart cloud-managed platform, provides a cost-efficient solution in challenges such as improvement in tenant billing practices, optimization of building operations via fault detection, and identification of energy conservation measures. We cooperate closely with energy efficiency service providers and deliver value-driven advantages for their buildings, like advanced energy management and smart lighting, air quality and comfort zone monitoring, smart water management, and much more, empowered by superior AI. Contact us now or visit us at meazon.com to know how you can convert your building into a smart building today.